Hello friends, today I want to show you how to knit rib stitches. They can be used for cuffs, for hats, for necklines. There are so many use you can do for this simple and easy to remember stitch. Basically it is combination of knit and purl stitches in different options and ways. Now we will do the most classic ones, that is combination of one knit stitch, one purl stitch. I cast on the number of stitches multiples of 2 plus 2 stitches for the border. So now we will start our first row. The border stitches are the first and the last stitch. I just slip without working on the other needle our first stitch, and now I start to knit one stitch and purl next stitch, and basically we go like this till the end of the row. I show very slowly, so the ones of you who just starting knitting and don't have a lot of practice can see how it is done, these two basic stitches. And when you arrive to the last stitch, we purl last stitch because it's our border stitch. So this is how our first row is done. Now we turn and we will make a second row. As you can see, we have very tight and neat, very nice textured stitch, one and one. Now in the second row, basically that's why the rib stitches are so easy to remember, is that you slip the first border stitch and then you just repeat knitting the stitch you have on the needle. So if it is a knit stitch, you knit it. If it is purl stitch, you purl it. It's as simple as that. That's why you don't even need to remember the combination for these rib stitches. And we continue working like this till the end of the row. And when you will arrive to the last stitch of the row, we again will purl it, no matter what stitch you have next. So we purl this stitch, and as you can see, on this is our wrong side, and if you turn to the right side, you see that it's the same double side stitch, that is basically the same. So we continue, and now I want to show you another stitch, rib stitch combination, 2 plus 2. It means 2 knit stitches and 2 purl stitches. We do this combination till the end of the row, and again I slipped the first stitch and we will purl the last one. The cast on is the same, multiples 2 plus 2 for the border, and as you can see, we finish again our row with a slip stitch. Now again, in the second row, we repeat knitting the stitch you have on the needles. So if you have purl stitch, you are doing knitting purl stitch. If you have knit stitch, you knit. That's why it's really very easy to remember. You continue like this all the rows you want to make with the rib stitches. So we finish the row with a purl stitch, to have a neat border, and you continue doing the same when you have knit stitch you knit, when you have purl stitch you purl. And as the same as with previous rib stitch case, we have the same design on the wrong and right sides. Only thing that this 2+2 rib stitch is less tight than 1+1, so depending on how tight you want your work to be, you can choose what kind of stitch to use. Or you can have another combination, which is quite classic, is 1 knit 2 purl stitches, like in this short sample. It's more loose, and in this case it will be not the same on the right side and on the wrong side, but the principle is basically the same. When you you have knit stitch you knit, when you have purl stitch you purl all the rows. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you again on our channel. Thank you.